Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a pig? Imagine a world where rolling in mud is a luxury and where each snort and grunt tells its own tale. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey, tracing the life of a pig from its first squeal to its mature oinks. From birth through the piglet phase, adolescence, and into adulthood, we'll explore the intriguing life stages of these intelligent social animals. Join us as we delve into the fascinating life journey of a pig. Our story begins on a typical farm in a cozy pigsty, where a piglet takes its first breath. It's a scene that's both ordinary and extraordinary, as the miracle of life unfolds yet again in this humble setting. The birth process for pigs is fascinating. A mother pig, also known as a sow, typically gives birth to a litter of 6 to 12 piglets, though sometimes the number can be as high as 14. The process begins when the sow lays down in her pen, signaling the start of labor. The piglets are born one after another, each encased in its own amniotic sac, which the mother promptly removes. It might sound a bit rough, but it's all part of nature's grand design. From the moment they are born, piglets are completely dependent on their mother. They are born blind and relatively helpless, their tiny bodies hardly bigger than a teacup. Their world, in those first few hours, is defined by touch, smell, and the warmth of their mother's body. The sow is their sole source of sustenance and protection. She feeds them with her milk, which is rich in nutrients and antibodies essential for the piglet's growth and survival. This maternal bond is crucial, not just for nourishment, but for socialization too. Piglets are social creatures. And from their earliest days, they start to learn the ins and outs of pig society from their mother and siblings. They nuzzle, play, and sleep together, their tiny grunts and squeals a sign of their growing communication skills. Despite their fragile beginnings, piglets are resilient. They quickly learn to navigate their world, their tiny snouts always eager to explore. Within a week, their eyes open, and they begin to venture further from their mother, though always under her watchful eye. Life on the farm is not always easy, but these little piglets, under the care of their dedicated mother, are well equipped to face the challenges that lie ahead. With their mother's care, these tiny creatures embark on their journey of life. As days turn into weeks, our piglets start to explore the world around them. It's an exciting time filled with new experiences and lessons to learn. From their initial steps, you can see the spark of curiosity ignited in their tiny eyes. They are not just growing physically, but mentally too, absorbing knowledge about their environment at an impressive rate. Just like human children, piglets are born learners. They are quick to pick up on cues from their mother and siblings. These cues teach them essential skills, like how to search for food, recognize danger, and communicate with their fellow piglets. It's fascinating to watch their intelligence and social instincts in action. Now let's talk about the social behavior of piglets. They are not solitary creatures. Instead, they thrive in groups, forming intricate social structures. These structures help them to navigate their world, understanding their place within the group and learning how to interact with others. They play, squabble, and snuggle together, building bonds that will last a lifetime. As piglets grow, their diet also changes. Initially, they rely on their mother's milk for nourishment. But as their teeth start to develop, solid food becomes a part of their menu. They begin to munch on anything from leaves and roots to fruits and grains. This transition to solid food is an important milestone in their journey towards independence. But it's not all serious business. Play is a crucial part of a piglet's life. Just like young children, piglets learn through play. They chase each other around, play fight, and even invent games. This playtime serves a dual purpose. It helps piglets learn about their world, and it's a whole lot of fun. As the weeks slide into months, the piglets grow stronger and smarter. Their once round bodies start to lengthen, and their snouts become more pronounced. Their playful squeals deepen, signaling the onset of adolescence. These playful piglets, full of energy, are now ready to step into adolescence. Stepping into adolescence, our piglets are now in their most curious and playful stage. This is a time of tremendous growth and change, both physically and mentally. The adolescent pigs, or shotes as they are known, now begin to venture further from their mother, exploring their surroundings with a newfound independence. This is also a time of great learning. Just like human teenagers, Adolescent pigs are constantly observing, testing, and learning about the world around them. They learn to forage, using their keen sense of smell to root out food. Their powerful snouts, which can move earth with ease, become their primary tool in this quest for sustenance. During adolescence, pigs also learn about social dynamics within the herd. Pigs are social animals, and the herd has a complex hierarchy. This is often established through tussling or head-knocking, where pigs push against each other with their snouts. It's a way to establish dominance without serious harm. These interactions also help adolescent pigs learn about communication. Pigs use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even touch to communicate with each other. They express a range of emotions, from contentment to distress, and even have unique voices that can be recognized by other members of the herd. Just as important as these skills is learning about the seasons and the changes in their environment. Pigs are intelligent creatures, and they quickly learn to anticipate changes in the weather, in the availability of food, and in the routines of their human caretakers. In the wild, adolescent pigs would also learn about predators and the importance of staying close to the safety of the herd. On a farm or in a sanctuary, these lessons are less vital, but the instinct to stick together remains strong. As these adolescents mature, their playful curiosity begins to give way to the responsibilities of adulthood. Their learning never stops, but the lessons change, as does their role within the herd. With adolescence behind them, our pigs are now ready to face the challenges of adulthood. Now, as adults, our pigs take on their role in the pig society. In the world of pigs, reaching adulthood is a significant milestone. It's during this phase that pigs fully express their individual personalities and societal roles. The adult pig's life is a fascinating mix of social interaction, foraging, and resting. Adult pigs are known for their social behavior. They live in complex social communities where each pig has its own role. Some pigs are leaders, guiding the group to new food sources, while others are followers, trusting the wisdom of their leaders. This social structure is crucial for the survival and well-being of the pig community. As for their diet, adult pigs are true omnivores. They'll eat almost anything they come across, from plants, fruits, and roots to insects and small animals. This diverse diet, along with their sharp sense of smell, makes pigs excellent foragers. On a farm, pigs contribute significantly by turning the soil and helping in its aeration. They also help control pests by eating insects and larvae. Behaviorally, adult pigs are quite intriguing. They are intelligent, curious, and playful, often seen exploring their surroundings or engaging in playful activities with other pigs. Pigs also have a strong sense of empathy. They form close bonds with their fellow pigs and even with other species, including humans. Speaking of humans, pigs have a long history of interaction with us. They are known for their docility and learning abilities, making them suitable for training. Pigs can learn to respond to their names, follow simple commands, and even perform tricks. In terms of lifespan, a healthy adult pig can live for anywhere between 6 to 12 years, depending on the breed and the conditions in which they live. Throughout their life, pigs continue to grow and develop, both physically and mentally. Even as adults, these pigs maintain their unique personalities and charm, proving that there's more to them than meets the eye. They remind us that every creature has its own story to tell, its own role to play, and its own unique way of experiencing the world. So, we've journeyed from the birth of a piglet to its adulthood, witnessing the fascinating stages of a pig's life. We've seen them grow from tiny, adorably helpless piglets into curious young ones, eager to explore their world. We've accompanied them through their adolescent stage, where they learned the ropes and fine-tuned their survival skills. As they transitioned into adulthood, we've seen them exhibit fascinating behaviors, like their incredible sense of smell and their natural inclination towards cleanliness. They've shown us their intelligence, their social dynamics, and their emotional depth. Pigs are more than just farm animals. They are sentient beings with their unique personalities and capabilities. We've also seen how integral they are to our ecosystem. They till the soil with their snouts, aiding in the process of decomposition and nutrient cycling. They are a vital link in the food chain, supporting other wildlife species and maintaining the overall health of our environment. Each stage of a pig's life is a testament to the complexity and wonder of nature. It's a reminder that every creature, no matter how seemingly ordinary, has a unique story to tell and a vital role to play in our world. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through a pig's life. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating animal stories.